Multiplication of numbers with 0 in the middle using the shortcut and the long process. So we will multiply first the shortcut method. So first you have to multiply 6 and 4. So 6 times 4 is 24. Then we have 3 times 5 is 15. Cross multiply 5 and 6, the answer is 30. Then cross multiply 3 and 4, the answer is 12. Then sum up. 12 plus 30 is 42. So the answer is 154,224. Next, we will multiply the long process. So first, we multiply 4 and 6. So 4 times 6 is 24. Write 4 here and then regroup 2. Then next, we have to multiply 4 and 0. The answer is 0 plus 2. So the answer is 2. 4 times 3 is 12. Then we will multiply 0 to the 3-digit number here. So the answer will be 3 zeros. Next, we will multiply 5 and 6. So 5 times 6 is 30. Then regroup 3. Cancel this. Then 5 times 0 is 0 plus 3 is 3. Then 5 times 3 is 15. Then sum up. So bring down 4. Then 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 0 plus 0 is 2. Then 1 plus 0 plus 3 is 4. Then bring down 15. So the answer is 154,224.